Hello Odoo users and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we will see the step-by-step guide for ShipStation V2 Odoo shipping connector. So let's get started. So this is our application. Now here we will see how the ShipStation configuration is done. So let's go to the sales module, go to configuration and go to ShipStation configuration. Here we are configured the ShipStation instance. So we will mention the name of the instance. You can select the API host and here we'll mention the API key. After that we will click over here to import your carrier services and packages. Now after we click over here, your carriers, providers and packages will be imported from ShipStation to Odoo. You can check them from the smart buttons. And after we check all this information over here, you can check the same information from the ShipStation shipping provider and the carrier from the menu as well. Next is the store. So as we open it, the store is to be manually created. The details on how to create the store is already present in the previous video, and the details on how to import the orders from ShipStation Odoo is also mentioned. There are two ways you can import it, that is a manually order import and the automation. So both of them are present in the previous video that we created. After the import process is done and the store creation is done, we have the delivery method configuration. So delivery method is configured. As you can see, ShipStation shipping is configured. In the configuration we can see that there is a complete selection, there is instance selection, the store selection, all of three is done. Now next is the ShipStation carriers. So there are different carriers that we have selected. You can also select as per your requirements is present in the drop down menu. Next is the default ShipStation carrier and service. So here is the FedEx, which is mentioned over here. It is a default service and carrier selection. Whenever there is no selection of the ShipStation carriers, you can see that these will be the default ones and will be present in your sales order. Next is the package info. So here are the package info in the drop down menu. You can select as per your requirement. Next is when you go to the internal link, you can mention the size of your packages as well, the dimensions. Next is your weight UOM, ShipStation dimensions, the label formats and the delivery confirmation. So this is how your delivery method is configured. All the details have been configured over here. Now let's go to the sales order and create one. So here we will do is duplicate this sales order. On duplicating the same, we will check the process from the very beginning. Let's just refresh and check the same. Now after we have added the products over here, we will add the shipping. We will add the shipping method as ShipStation. As you can see, the package info is fetched over here, which is mentioned over here. Next is the dimension is fetched. Here is the total order weight. So the weight of both of the products will be fetched. You can do the changes as well. Next is the get rate option. So here as we click over here, the carrier IDs will be fetched over here from all these shipping carriers. So here are the carrier IDs and the rates of the same. So currently 9.10, that is the lowest carrier rate, is automatically selected. Now let's edit. Now when adding the same, we will go to the ShipStation information. In this information, as you scroll down, the selected shipping service will be visible and it will be used to export the same as well. Also, if you want to make any changes again in the ShipStation services, you can make the changes from here, directly from here. Now we will confirm this particular sale order. As we confirm it, your delivery order gets created. So let's go to the delivery order. In delivery order, as you can see that there are two information which is mentioned over here, that is this order is exported using the priority mail service USPS. So whatever mail service we have selected, it will be mentioned over here, and it will also mention that it will supporting the single packet shipments only. So both of this information will be populated as soon as you select the particular courier service. Here are the ShipStation charges. So whenever you click over here on generate ShipStation rate, you will see that the charges will be visible over here, and you can select the charges from here as well. Now in the additional information, as soon as we validate this delivery order, additional information will have some shipment IDs over here. So now let's validate it. As you can see, the shipment ID is fetched over here and the source document is 𝗪𝗛𝗘𝗢. Now we will go and check the same in our ShipStation as well. So let's go over here and refresh it. As we refresh it, the particular order will be seen over here in the ShipStation, which we just created. As you can see, this is the order. In this order, we will have all the other information that we mentioned over here along with the services, as you can see, that is USPS priority mail, the package details, products, and all the other information. Here is the shipment activity if you want to check at all. Here are the shipment actions. So now we will go and create the label in our Odoo database. So let's go back over here. And after that, we have validated this particular shipment. We will click over here to generate the ShipStation label. So let's click over there. On clicking the same, the ShipStation label will be generated. And now let's refresh the page one more time. So when the label is generated, you can check over here in this bin. The label is generated with USPS priority details along with the package details over here. In the additional information, there will be a ShipStation rate. That will be a label ID, ShipStation shipment ID, which was previously there. Then there is tracking URL and the tracking reference and fetched over here. Here is the tracking URL. When you click over here, you can track the shipment. Also, let's go to the ShipStation and refresh it. The label or the shipment details will be updated over here as well. So as you can see, it is updated over here with all the details and the tracking reference. You can also cancel the shipment directly from here. Once you mark it as void, it will be void over here in ShipStation as well. So this is all about how to generate the sale order label in Odoo and the process of the same. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com. Thank you.